Hello, my dear students. This is me, Teacher Huaida, and today we are going to take a grammar lesson, which is countable and uncountable nouns. So, if I wanted to give you a definition at the beginning about what is the meaning of a countable noun, of course, countable noun is a word that we can count. And the uncountable nouns are the words or the nouns that we cannot count. Like what? Look at this picture. If I asked you, what can you see here in this picture? Someone would say, yes, teacher, I can see a car. A car. Perfect. So, a car. Do we have a plural form from the word car? Yes, I can say cars. So, it's countable noun because we have singular form and also plural form. Another example. What do we have here in this picture? Yes, I can hear someone saying, a mango. A mango. Do we have a plural form from the word mango? Yes, of course. We have a plural form of mango is mangoes. Here in this picture, you have two mangoes. So this is also a countable noun. What about the uncountable nouns? Look here. What can you see in this picture? Yes, I can hear someone saying, bread. Perfect. Bread. Top. Do we have plural form from the word bread? No, we don't have. We don't have. So we can't count it. Rice. Can you count the rice? No, we can't count the rice. Water. Can you count the water, the word water? Of course, no. Sugar. Can you count the word sugar? Can I say sugars? No, I can't. So, all of these words are uncountable. So, the uncountable nouns, الأسماء التي لا تعد, are the nouns that we can't count. Now, if we have a word that we can count, we can use an article with this word. If it is singular, we can use whether a or an. A or an. So, when do we use a and when do we use an with countable, with singular nouns? When the word starts with one of the vowel letters, one of the vowel letters, E, A, I, O, U, we should use an. And an here means one. The first picture you have here is egg, and egg start with letter E, so it will take the article an. The second one is orange, And orange also start with letter O, with the vowel letter. So it will take an orange. The third picture is igloo, a house made of ice. Igloo. And igloo starts with letter I. That's why igloo will take an. With the rest of the words that start with any consonant, it will take a or an. Of course, the rest of the words that start with the consonant, it will take only a. And a or an means one. A or ans means one. So if I said a car means one car, a mango means one mango, a desk means one desk. Now let's move to the second point, which is about some and any. When do we use some and when do we use any? We use some with the plural nouns, which are countables and uncountables. So we use some with the countable nouns على الأسماء التي تعد and uncountable nouns والأسماء التي لا تعد. But they should be plural. They should be a plural. Ola has some books. Some books. The books is countable or uncountable? Books is what? Is countable. I'd like some juice. Juice is countable or uncountable? Yes, juice is uncountable. But what about any? When do we use any? We use any with a countable noun and uncountable noun, but in which cases? In the negative sentences and in questions. There isn't any sugar. Any sugar. And sugar here is uncountable noun. In my cafe. And isn't here is an affirmative sentence or negative? Negative sentence. So, again, we use any with countable and uncountable noun. يعني نستخدم any مع الأسماء التي لا تعد والأسماء التي تعد، ولكن في حالة النفي isn't هنا نفي، وفي حالة الاستفهام. Do you have any tomatoes? طيب, tomatoes here is a countable or uncountable noun? Yes, I heard someone saying tomatoes is a countable noun. And here, is this a sentence, a negative or a question? Yes, it's a question. Do you have any tomatoes? Okay, after we finished some and any, now it's your turn. I want you to look at these questions. Choose one of these words, a and some and any. Ali has apple pie. Apple start with a vowel, so it will take an. There is a desk in my room. Desk start with letter D, so it will take a. Are there vegetables in the fridge? It's a question, so it will take some or any. Any. Do you have some papers? Would you like some or any tea? Some tea. There aren't negative water in my bottle. There aren't any water in my bottle. I don't have any money. I am broke. So thank you for watching the video, and I'm waiting all your comments under the video. If you have any questions, I'm waiting your questions too. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next session, inshallah. Bye bye.